I love how Kautuk, like, it's not what he's drinking or the glass he's drinking it in. It's the speed at which he drinks it. And the smile.
And the creepiness that is oozing out of it.
I don't even know what's in the glass, but he's enjoying himself.
No, ये टाइम कुछ नहीं है, पानी है, पानी.
नींबू पानी.
नहीं, नींबू पानी.
Hold up.
But quick question, everybody. Baba, do you think money brings happiness? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
मैं आदर को पूछा भी नहीं. Yes.
I'll tell you why money brings happiness. I'll tell you why it doesn't bring you the concept of happiness, but it takes away the stuff that makes you like worry about things.
Yeah.
So your worries go away. So because you can take away your worries, it's easier to be closer to happiness. I'm not saying money is the reason you're happy, but
Correct.
money is the reason why a lot of difficulties go away.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to put it. Baba, congratulations. You can drop off the call now.
Thank you,
See you
Baba.
guys.
Thank you
Which
for
also
your-
means the recording will stop. See you guys.
Debbie, when was the first time you guys actually made your own money? जैसे मम्मी पापा से borrow नहीं, तुम लोगों ने काम करके, चोरी करके, अपने मेहनत से पहले बार पैसे कब कमाए?
I like that
Uh-huh.
Kaam and Chori is considered as mehnat in this entire scene.
अबे चोरी में भी मेहनत लगती है. अभी तो डाका डाल रहा है, चोरी कर तो
Money heist नहीं देख रहा क्या?
मैंने भी Ocean's 11 देखा है.
So the point of this
You're
thing
so
was,
young, dude.
I am is true.
Yeah, Kautuk, like he has seen Taxi Bhada when it was 13 paise. You know.
I've seen taxi bhada. I've seen taxi bhada at 9 rupees 50 paisa.
Baba, you've seen Taxi Bhada when it was a cow. ठीक है? तू क्या?
तो ये गाय को काला पीला क्यों कलर किया है? बस नया कुछ चालू कर रहा हूँ मैं आजकल.
तो
वो मेरे घर पे कभी नहीं था.
नहीं था.
अब
नहीं,
तक
नहीं,
नहीं है.
तेरे को मालूम नहीं है ठाकुर. That's where they're hiding the money.
नहीं, but
तेरे को वो 100 रुपए से खुश करा रहा है.
your mom had that Godrej ka cupboard which came with that inbuilt safe.
Yes.
Yeah, inbuilt safe. Yeah.
Right.
So in that only, so she would put the big gutties and stuff like that. But वो टाइम पे ना 20-20, 10-10, 50-50 का नोट आता था और 100 का गट्टी बहुत रेयरली आता था because obviously ऐसा 50,000 रुपया 100 रुपए का नोट में कोई लेके नहीं आता था. You would get about 1,000 rupees in 20. So you just steal one bill. फिर मेरा मम्मी को मालूम पड़ा, so she started getting new notes which were numbered at the end. Oh, so they were numbered through and through. तो उधर तो चोरी कर ही नहीं सकता था.
ये असली Danny Ocean.
So ये मेरी जिंदगी का सीन है because my mom works in a bank.
So the bank.
And my dad
Oh shit!
He used to work in a bank before he took BRS and continued his side business and made it into full-time business. So
Yeah.
उन लोग का note हमेशा numbered.
Since we're talking about Indian currency now, a fact. Do you know what the actual Indian notes are made out of?
They are made out of
Khadi.
Cotton and linen.
no.
Lenin.
Paper mache.
Sabyasachi ने डिजाइन नहीं किया कि लेनिन के
No,
नोट्स.
by the way, the American dollar is not paper.
Yeah,
Made out of
neither
70% cotton and linen.
Oh wait.
neither is Indian currency.
I got a WhatsApp saying that ours was made out of a microchip. और तू उसको trace कर सकता है. तो that's the answer.
और उसपे वाईफाई है ना. मेरे को साइड सर्विस छोड़ के करेंसी नोट्स रखनी चाहिए इधर.
तो यहाँ पे हाँ, hotspot बनाओ hotspot.
It's such
a
a
great
weird.
system.
Yeah. It is a great system because, but how much can you actually back it with the bullion? Because तो अभी, sorry, I'll just get into. Should I get into geopolitics or for 2
Yes,
minutes?
नहीं.
Get it, Baba. Nobody is expecting you to not.
Yeah.
There you go.
Either you are going to get into geopolitics or you tell us about some arugula you're going to eat.
Yeah.
No.
Regardless
So
of
Nobody
what
is
the
expecting
topic
you
is.
to talk about Taylor Swift here.
No, but I love this. You know, the amazing thing is China is playing the board game Monopoly, but with real countries.
My God.
That's what
Except
they're
they
doing.
never get a go to jail card because they own the jail.
Yeah, even.
Dude, my economics professor in the 10th standard, Mahesh tutorials में उसने हम लोग को एक दिन example दिया था. और कुछ I don't remember, but I remember this one thing he had said very clearly. And he said, now I have no money, but it's easier way to make money. You know, say for example, I need everybody to give me 1 rupee, and I go all across Andheri to every house and take one rupee. Right? I went from 0 to now having whatever the population of Andheri is. उसका 1 रुपया and then we are just sitting like इसको economic teacher बनाया किसने?
What he did is he placed an ad. So he bought an ad in a newspaper, and he bought it nationwide. Okay, and he bought a nationwide ad, and it was obviously that was his investment, right? And the ad very simply said, if you want to become a millionaire, we've written books. We will send you we'll send you the McNuggets basically of what the books are. All you have to do is send a self-postage stamp and $1 to this address. So people sent it. He sent the same postage thing back because it was a self-postage envelope already with a thing saying work hard or come up with schemes like this, and sent it back.
Oh, wow.
So this unscrupulous motherfucker was pulling that donation wala scam.
Okay, let's not call him unscrupulous when you were selling Tazos. Okay, it's not.
Hey, but I didn't have a fake Helpage India thing, and I wasn't going. He was doing that. Bro, he was doing that. So he had a fake, like, those people who stop you in the middle of the road and they go like, can I take 5 minutes of your time? It's very important.
Yeah.
Can I please just show you? So he started doing that. And he fucking got caught because he stopped his own father.
How would you not recognize your own father?
इसको पीछे से सब बोला, "Can I take 5 minutes of sorry, Papa, sorry."
I've got two scams that my friend.
I've got two
scams. मेरे दोस्त लोग, and I feel lucky that I wasn't part of them because I didn't have enough money at that point of time to be part of these scams to get duped. So पहला वाला scam था, मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ था, हम लोग का we were there outside some place, गाड़ी पंचर हो गई थी, तो I was waiting and we got a mechanic कैसे, तो मैकेनिक गाड़ी का टायर चेंज कर रहा है. वन बाबा कम्स, वो जो बाबा रास्ते पे घूमते हैं,
वो बाबे रहते
वो बाबे लोग रास्ते पे घूम रहे थे. तो वन बाबा कम्स टू अस, दिस रैंडो गाय, एंड द काइंड ऑफ गाय, एंड वो उसके हाथ में कमंडल है, सब कुछ है, वो माला जप रहा है. And he comes and says, अब मेरे दोस्त को उसकी clearly वो मेरे दोस्त की गाड़ी लग रही थी, तो he went to my friend and not to me. अब मैं बाजू में खड़ा हूँ और उसको बोल रहा है कि यहाँ पे दुआ मांगते हैं हम लोग, गड़ड़ा कुछ दे दे. तो उसने अपने पॉकेट से निकाल के 10 रुपया दे दिया. उसने बोला नहीं, मेरे को 10 रुपया नहीं चाहिए. ओके, मैं तेरे लिए दुआ मांगूंगा, तू अपना 10 रुपया अपने हाथ में पकड़. तो उसने 10 रुपया ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ा और बोला कि आपके पास 100 रुपया है. उसने बोला हाँ मेरे पास 100 रुपया है. तो उसने 100 रुपया लिया और अपने हाथ में पकड़ के रखा. ओके, एंड कुछ अजीब सा कुछ माला जप रहा था मेरे दोस्त के आगे. नेक्स्ट थिंग यू नो, उसने वो 100 रुपया का नोट लिया और खा गया.
What?
So the 100 buck is gone. And my friend
कौन खा गया? बाबा खा गया 100 रुपए.
उसने ऐसे किया,
like this is not even metaphorically खा गया, actually खा गया.
उसने क्या बोला कि ये तेरा 20 रुपए का नोट है, तू मेरे को 20 रुपया मत दे, तू अपना पैसा 20 का 100 करेगा, तेरा लाइफ में तेरा जो 20 रुपया वो 100 हो जाएगा, तो तू क्या कर, ये 20 रुपया ले, इसके ऊपर 100 रुपया रखेंगे. और उसने अपना हाथ ऐसे रखा 100 रुपए के नोट के ऊपर, and then slide and eat it. That's what he did.
This is the worst scam because मैं सीधा बाबे को कान के नीचे मारता है.
Which is what happened. My friend is now standing in the middle of he's in the middle of the road screaming at a Baba, and it looks like we are the ones abusing the Baba for no reason.
I feel like the simplest metric to understand if you are earning money, earning enough money, is when you go from listening to advice about SIPs to giving advice about SIPs.
You know who is essentially paying for all the fucking shit you get from your credit card points?
Yeah.
Janta who uses cash.
Yeah.
How say?
मैं लिंक डालेगा, मेरे को exactly मालूम नहीं, but अभी because we're talking about credit card.
So there's two three ways that works. Like there's several ways, because the minute you don't attribute a physical value to an amount, it's only notional. There is cash still floating in the system.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Like credit card, the way I use credit cards, and I think this is a piece of advice that we should give. The way I use my credit card is I spend everything on my credit card. Every damn thing on my credit card.
Paytm recharge.
Correct. But I pay it off also in the same month.
Please, always,
always pay it off.
Never. Yeah.
नहीं तो वो इंटरेस्ट में मर जाओगे. So I paid off in the same.
मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा तेरा बैंक तेरे को किधर क्या एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज बात कर रहा है. अगर तू कभी when it comes to credit card payments, never slack. अगर तेरे अकाउंट में पैसे हैं, निकाल दे पे करके. You delay a little bit, suddenly तेरा 1100 रुपया बढ़ गया.
ये मैं मम्मी से
small
सीखा
for
है.
1 month, but over months it becomes way more.
Rothschild, of course, are the ones who have invented banking, right? They invented banks. They own most of the banks. This family, by the way, has funded all world wars on both sides. They have funded the world wars on both sides.
Rothschild many times. So if you guys haven't read about it, please read. बाबा तू link भेज सबको क्योंकि I think बाबा is secret descendant of Rothschild क्योंकि जितना वो एक सेंटेंस में Rothschild और Westwing घुसाते और पंचवे नहीं और कोई नहीं.
I love that all the Rothschild videos on YouTube always have this weird eerie music. जो तुम अगर हेडफोन में सुनोगे तुम लोग ऐसे डर लगेगा कि पीछे से अभी तुम्हारे रॉथस्चाइल्ड निकल के आने वाला है और डराएगा तुम लोग.
अभी किसने क्या किया अभी? It sounded like that's not
both of you all are basura, so both of you all shouldn't be loud.